Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of organization with what I believe are the best plastic cases for storage. The QUEFE 28-pack small plastic storage boxes. If you're tired of clutter and need a practical solution for all your small items, stay tuned because these little boxes might just be the answer you've been looking for. Let's take a closer look at the QUEFE storage boxes. This set comes with a whopping 28 small rectangular plastic boxes, each designed to cater to various storage needs. With 5 different sizes included, you can easily find the right box for whatever it is you need to store, whether it's beads, jewelry, office supplies, or craft materials. These boxes are made from durable, transparent polypropylene plastic. This means you won't have to dig around in opaque containers, wondering what's inside. The clear design allows for easy viewing, so you can quickly locate your items without wasting time. The sturdy construction ensures that your contents are well protected, making these boxes perfect for everyday use. Each box comes equipped with a lid and a small latch, providing an additional layer of security. This design feature is especially important for keeping your items clean and safe from dust or spills. No more worrying about your small items getting lost or dirty. What I love about the QUEFE storage boxes is their versatility. They can be used for a multitude of purposes. Are you a craft enthusiast? Use them to organize your beads, threads, or small tools. Do you have a collection of jewelry? These boxes are perfect for storing rings, earrings, and bracelets separately, preventing them from tangling or getting damaged. You can even use them for office supplies, think paper clips, rubber bands, or even small tech gadgets. The options are endless. Plus, they're stackable, allowing you to maximize your storage space whether you're at home, in the office, or even on the go. Speaking of being on the go, these boxes are incredibly portable. They fit easily into a handbag, suitcase, or even your pocket. Whether you're traveling or just need to carry your supplies to a craft class or work, these boxes are lightweight and easy to transport. And here's a fun idea. These storage boxes can double as gift boxes. If you have a small gift for a friend or family member, consider placing it inside one of these boxes. It adds a unique touch and showcases your thoughtful side while ensuring the gift remains safe and secure. In conclusion, the QUEFE 28-pack small plastic storage boxes are an excellent investment for anyone looking to organize small items efficiently. With their transparent design, various sizes, secure lids, and portability, they stand out as the best plastic cases for storage on the market. So if you're ready to take control of your clutter and simplify your life, I highly recommend checking these out. Thank you for joining me on this review. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of the QUEFE storage boxes? Until next time, keep organizing and stay tuned for more product critiques.